Hey, welcome to another video stalker with your boy Profit Peeps, where all the real smart investors win more money than lose money. What's up, everybody out there, ladies and gentlemen, men and women, males and females? Okay, we looking at Visa financial results right now. Okay, we're going to talk about Visa today and check out the paperwork, the balance sheets, the cash flow, financial results in general, the income statement. So as we see, before we jump into the technical analysis about this, I want to show y'all what we have here. Mainly the most important thing is the income, the balance sheet, the income statement, which is the balance sheets, the cash flow. Okay, so we're going to see right now the income statement, the total revenue from 2018. It has been increasing. So we got 20,000, 22,000, went back down to 21,000, but then it jumped right up to 24,000. That's the total revenue from what we see. But we want to see, has it been really making profit, making money? The gross profit from 2018 has been not too far. It accumulated, it looks like $2 million more dollars. We got 17 million right here. Then we got 19 million. It jumped up, then it jumped back down to 18, and then it jumped right back up to 19. So it's a balance there. It's not bad. Of course, Visas, seem to be stable, but it have to make money. It have to make money from what we see. Interest before interest and earnings before interest and tax right here. So what we want to most focus on, the net income. We see the net income throughout the time period of 2018, 10,000, 12,000, 10,000, 12,000. So that's a balance. That's a balance. Okay, it balanced itself out, and it still have room to grow. Okay, now we want to look at here a balance sheet. Check that out. Okay, and y'all see the net receivables. Okay, from what we see, we have the current assets. So these are the current assets. All right. Total current assets right here has increased from 18,000 to 27,000. Okay, so, it is increasing in business, it's growing. Okay, it's growing in business. Let's check out liabilities. Okay, this is the current total current liabilities is 15,000. Okay, so it's more assets, it's more total assets than liabilities. Than total liabilities. Got 45 million. Let me see, hold on. We got, total assets. Okay, we have the 82 million. And then you look at the total liabilities, which is 45 million. So that's a good sign because you have more assets than liabilities. All right. So y'all have to understand, y'all pay close attention to that as an importance. Okay. Now we're going to, let's go to cash flow. All right. So this cash flow, operating activities. So this is all operating activities right here. The net income adjustments, depreciation, account receivable. Okay, so we have from 2000 and now account receivable to 200 and let me go back right here. Let me go over here because account receivables is from 2008, 293 million. And now we have account receivables right here is 811,000 for what I'm seeing. So now let's go to account payables. We have to find account payables. Okay, so we're not pretty much seeing that here. I believe that was on net borrowing. All right, so we it looks like is a negative in account receivables of 811,000. That will be considered a red flag with that one, but it still wouldn't make a decision that, you know, you wouldn't want to buy it. You still would still like to buy this stock because even so, it's still growing. It happens. Next year it can go off of just like it came from 293,000 from there, then it went to 1 million, and then it stayed 1 million back in 2020. It was 1 million. So if it's negative 811,000, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't mean that it will stay that way. It still can grow back for the next year from what we're seeing. So that wouldn't change my mind for not wanting to buy. Okay, they got the liabilities right here, which is 1,766,000. So now we're going to go to, so after we know that it's still growing in revenue and they may have lost a few bucks in 2021 for the last quarter, for this year, let's go to what we know as the charts. All right, now, oh my, it's frozen here. Hold up. Frozen here. Let's go to Visa. Here we go. All right, so let's figure out a good time. As you see, point this as a yearly. Let's see about a yearly. It's increasing. So as you see, this has increased throughout the years. Throughout the years, it has increased. So what we want to do is when you go to the daily charts, it looks like 190 is a support level. 190 is a support level, and 252 is the resistance. So this is a perfect time to jump in. This is a great time to jump in. We got 250, 267 as the resistance, and we got around 179 at its lowest. Okay, we can even do 190. You can even jump in 190, or you could jump in at 179. It might take some time to get to that point, but from what we see, and let me check out. Look on here, the RSI is close to 70, is in the middle. You want to wait till that RSI at the bottom to hit under 30, and that's when you might see it go around that 190 when the RSI. So that's a support level, and also the 179 is a support level too. Either one, if you want to wait the 179 or wait into the 190, you jump in and hold until it go up to the 252. Okay, and once it hit the 252, you can continue to hold and do your fundamental research, or you can, and if you see revenue losing out, or if you see them continuously losing money, or the assets, the liabilities is more than the assets than increasing, and that's when you can start, you might want to sell. So that's a great way of analyzing these stocks, y'all. But this is a good opportunity to jump in at this present time, while this is sitting at $214.75. This is a great time to jump in because it will go back up. There's a possibility it can hit that 252 and even higher. Visa ain't going nowhere. Visa been in business for many years, but who knows? It can still get put out of business in the future while you're holding. So you want to keep on tack and look at the books. That's most important. All right. Just remember, winners roll with winners, leaders roll with leaders, and good followers always follow good leaders to become a good leader. Y'all be safe out there.